Are you aware that the changing technology makes your facility become outmoded and obsolete? Are your students annoyed with your facility? It is actually not your fault when you have poor facilities. It's your supplier's fault, but if you don't act on this now, then won't things simply spread and horribly get worse? If you are an English teacher, you want your students to become fluent in English. If you are an administrator, you want that your teachers could produce fluent speakers within a short period as possible, but you may have the problem because you don't have a speech laboratory or your speech laboratory is non-functional or outmoded. Don't worry, because we have an offer that you cannot refuse. Trade in your outmoded speech laboratory with the Phonetic Speech Laboratory, the complete digital speech laboratory with modeling tools that demonstrates how sounds are produced and articulated based on International Phonetic Alphabet, IPA, backed with pronunciation practice on sounds, words.
Bat.
With minimal pairs and more practice sentences so that your students gain mastery of the lessons. How wonderful would you feel if you know that your students can learn speaking, writing, reading and listening because the system offers 4-in-1 function. Imagine what it's like if you know that you can record your students' pronunciation using the student's terminal, and you will love it because the audio files are stored into your hard disk, as you might want to evaluate your students' pronunciation performance later. You can get it all from Bottomline Speech Laboratory, the company that had been serving for more than 27 years not only in the Philippines but also abroad, like the centers of VETA Mtwara, VETA Lindi, VETA Mikumi, Arusha Technical College, and Mwanza Vocational Training College in Tanzania, East Africa. You are assured that you have the best speech laboratory because the ergonomic console and cubicles are constructed by expert fabricators, and you can surely have clear signal because the system is installed by well-trained installers. You can have continuity of use because your teachers are trained after the installation, both in group and also in one-on-one interaction, to make sure that your teachers can easily use it. Even if the system is built to last, you are assured of the unprecedented and unequaled 3-year warranty in writing. Send email to bottomlinespeechlab@yahoo.com or call 0920539471 to enjoy more benefits and bonuses.